This is question 31. College Board gives us the price of apples and oranges, and they tell us that we're buying 5 apples and ask how many whole oranges we can buy, which suggests it might be a fraction. We'll need to round down. So the price of apples is 65 cents each, so the total price we're paying is 0.65 times the number of apples, which we're told is 5, plus the price of oranges is 0.75 times the number of oranges, which I'll call x. I'm going to set that equal to the total amount we have, which is $8. And I can solve this fastest on my calculator. On a graphing calculator, if I go to y equals and type 0.65 times 5 plus 0.75x, in y1, I type 8 into y2, and then use the standards window on the TI-83 or 84 zoom 6 and graph this. I get a graph that looks something like this. And the x value at the point of intersection I can find with the graphing calculator's intersect feature, 6.333. We can get 6 1/3 oranges, but they said what is the maximum number of whole oranges, so my answer would be 6, rounding down, of course. Alternatively, I can solve this either by hand or using a scientific calculator. 0.65 times 5 is 325 plus 0.75x equals $8. If I subtract 325 from both sides, I get 0.75x equals 475, and dividing by 0.75, x equals 6.333 again, and they ask for the number of whole oranges, so that would be 6. I could have written this as an inequality, but as long as I remember to check back and reread the question where they ask specifically for whole oranges, I will have a less than or equal to, and the largest whole number less than or equal to would be 6. College Board often asks you to solve this sort of inequality, so make sure it makes sense. Make sure you're good at using the calculator to reduce your error rate, and come back soon for my next video. With math, there's always more.